Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On the quick panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon with the leaf on it. And this is the power saving mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, you can simply tap on this icon. You will see the message power saving. The icon will get highlighted and you will see the battery icon right here at the top of the quick panel, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And then you can swipe up on the screen to go back to watch face. And also on the watch face you will see the power saving mode icon, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, wake up the screen, open the quick panel, tap on the do not disturb mode, power saving mode icon, this one. You will see the message power saving, the icon will disappear, this icon will get back to the gray color, and the icon from the watch face will also disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also press and hold on this icon to go to the battery settings, and here we can enable and disable the power saving by tapping on the switch. You can also read what the power saving mode does. It basically turns off wake up gesture, always on display, Wi-Fi, limits the CPU, the background network usage and stuff like that. You can also scroll down, and here we have something like this mode called watch only. If you tap on it and then tap on the turn on, it will disable most of the features of the watch, and you will see the only the time and date, I believe. And this mode allows you to save a lot of powers. So if you're in a pinch and you don't want the watch to die, you can enable the watch only mode, and that's how it looks like. You have access only to hour, and it's quite hard to wake up. And to disable the mode, we need to press and hold I believe the upper button, the home button, keep holding it until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. The watch will reboot and basically boot into a normal mode. So let's wait. As you can see, we're back in the system in normal mode, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.